Are you looking for the best hanging kitchen baskets in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best hanging kitchen baskets that are available on the market. If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Starting at number 5, we have the B.N.D top wall mounted 3-tier hanging fruit basket. We have included this hanging kitchen basket because it is unique. It does not require drilling, meaning setting it up is quick and easy. Another reason why we like it is that it has a compact design, yet it is capable of holding a fair amount of vegetables and fruits. With it, you will be able to free up some space on the wall or counter. Besides, this 3-tiered hanging basket features slanted panels to help make it extremely easy to access. Plus, it is multi-purpose in the sense that you can use it in the kitchen, bathroom, pantry or kids' room. It comes with clear instructions to further make assembly a breeze. What's more, this hanging kitchen basket is sturdily constructed and can carry in excess of 50 pounds. Moving on, at number 4. We have the Saratoga Home 3-tier wall-mounted hanging baskets with chalkboards. The price of this hanging kitchen basket may be on the higher side. But this should not really be a concern because the basket has 3 tiers with large capacity. When they are chained together, the 3 tiers measure 12.2 inches long by 12 inches wide by 32.2 inches high and weigh 7.9 pounds. And when used as singles, each of them measures 12.2 inches long by 12 inches wide by 10.6 inches high and weighs 2.6 pounds. The basket boasts a premium iron build, and it is powder-coated so it can resist rusting for long-lasting performance. The powder coating also gives this kitchen basket a stylish look. The basket can hold more than 50 pounds, making it a multi-purpose item. Needless to say, you can use it to store kids' toys, hold fruits or potatoes, or organize your pantry. At number 3, we have the BlueDonuts 3-tier hanging kitchen fruit basket. The 3 tiers of this unit are of different sizes to help improve stability. The small basket measures 7 inch by 3.5 inch, medium basket measures 9 inch by 3.5 inch, and large basket measures 11 inch by 3.5 inch. When all of them are chained and hung as a unit, the entire basket will have a height of 24 inch. Although the basket is advertised as a unit for temporarily storing fruits, it can also be used for displaying toys as well as storing scarves, indoor plants, mail, papers, candy, and veggies. It comes ready to use, thanks to the pop, which clips in. Additionally, the hanging kitchen basket has a heavy-duty hanging hook that will allow you to hold just about anything. And it's not just holding this kitchen basket is designed for. It is also crafted to improve the style and looks of wherever it has been placed. It has an X pattern that gives an elegant touch to any kitchen. At number 2, we have the Fox Run 5211 3-tier kitchen hanging fruit baskets. Everyone would like to store their fruits and veggies in an attractive place. That's why we think you should give the Fox Run 5211 a try. It is a thoughtful hanging kitchen basket that not only provides a safe place to keep vegetables and fruits but also greatly improves the look of the kitchen. It is constructed with a sturdy iron wire and finished with copper so it can provide you with solid performance consistently. Besides, the baskets in this unit are of different sizes to improve stability and the look of the entire hanging unit. The small basket is 7 inches in diameter, the medium basket is 9 inches in diameter, and the large basket is 11 inches in diameter. When chained together, the entire unit measures 32 inches high. And finally, at number 1, we have the Regal Trunk and County 2-tier fruit basket. The Regal Trunk & Co. fruit basket is not 3-tiered like most baskets in these reviews, but it still gets the job done. It is a decoratively arranged tiered basket, which is ideal for showcasing fresh, colorful veggies and fruits in your living room, store or kitchen. You can also use it for the temporary storage of ingredients. It holds a lot of produce and will help keep your countertop or kitchen organized. What's more, this hanging kitchen basket is designed for uniform ripening of fruits. It features an open wire design that is perfect for storing fresh fruits from the market so they can ripen evenly at room temperature. Another great feature about this two-tiered basket is that it has passed US FDA 21 and CA Prop 65 testing. It is stylish, versatile, and multifunctional. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.